mga barangay kalayaan ng Nono Rizal. Sinabi ko sa inyo, kakapunta na nila dyan, bumalik ulit sila dyan. Ano? Diyan yung sugod bahay. Diyan, no? Ang daming tao, oh. Yan, no? What's up, Bear? Sweet Princess Girl. Welcome back to my channel. Get out. For today's video, manonood po tayo ng Itbulaga. Manonood po tayo ng Itbulaga. Okay? Ngayon, ang sugod bahay. While eating lunch. So, ngayon pa lang ako kakain ng lunch. Bilag ako papanoorin. Hindi nga sinabi ko. Nasa ano nga sila ngayon? Ang Nono Rizal. Time check is currently 12:52 p.m. 12:42 p.m. na po, guys. Sorry, 12:42. Ngayon na po ako mag-lunch. Tawag-tawa si Maine.
Toast and a cup of tea, milk and cereal, fruits so sweet. Let's all sit down and eat. Time to eat, yum yum yum. Healthy foods for everyone. Time to eat, let's have a treat. Eating together is so neat. Lunchtime comes, what's on the plate? Sandwiches and veggies, feeling great. Soup and salad, tasty and bright. Let's enjoy every bite. Time to eat, yum yum yum. Healthy foods for everyone. Time to eat, let's have a treat. Eating together is so neat. Dinner time, what's in store? Chicken and rice and so much more. Pasta and peas, a wonderful meal. Eating together, what a deal. Time to eat, yum yum yum. Healthy foods for everyone. Time to eat, let's have a treat. Eating together is so neat.
sila dito. Gusto mo tayo dito guys, pagkakaroon talaga. Ba't mo nila-live? Wala lang. Yan, live. Level. Was, yun pala guys, yung sugod bahay kanina na videoan ko yun, ha? So, dito na pala tayo sa ating vlog. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube account, to my YT channel, and don't forget to follow me on TikTok, Facebook, and IG. Huwag niyo kalimutan ako i-follow, and nagpo-post ako dun mga vlog ko sa Facebook, sa TikTok, tsaka sa YouTube. So, bye-bye.